our fourth chapter of English is long vowel sound of I. So get familiar with the sound of I here. Look at the pictures and pronounce their names. Picture is of tie, T-I-E, tie. So all words which are given here in this lesson are containing sound of I. Next word, ice. I-C-E, ice. Picture of ice is given. Fish, F-I-S-H, fish. Now read aloud with me. Dish, wish, bookish, punish, furnish. Once again, dish, wish, bookish, punish, furnish. Now get familiar with the sound of I with mute E. अब यहाँ पर E mute रहेगा और sound I generate होगा इन words में. Right, kite, right. Read aloud with me. Mile, sight, tight, might, lie, tile, wine, mice, rice, white. Once again, mile, sight, tight, might, lie, tile, wine, mice, rice, white. Now here in this series, we are getting familiar with the sound of I-G-H. N-I-G-H-T, night. R-I-G-H-T, right. B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. Sun bright होता है ना? Read aloud. Fight, light, height, thigh, shite, flight. Once again. Fight, light, height, thigh, shite, flight. Now get familiar with the sound of I as in IR. अब जहाँ पर R का इन्वॉल्वमेंट होगा और I का इन्वॉल्वमेंट भी होगा तो हम वर्ड्स को कैसे प्रोनाउंस करेंगे? Look at the picture. Picture of bird is given. B-I-R-D, bird. Sound I is also here along with R. Bird. Girl. Fir. First. Shirt. Third. Skirt. Dirt. Wing. Ping. Sing. Ding. Ring. Bing. King. Zing. Once again with me. First. Shirt. Third. Skirt. Dirt. Wing. Ping. Sing. Ding. Ring. Bing. King. Zing.